Hi everyone, so this video is on my December month Oriflame unboxing video. So here is one big box that is coming and I'm going to show you the products that I've got. So the first product which is in my hand is one of my favorite. Okay, so anyone with Oriflame can ask, they are like crazy fan of this tender care product. So you can see it's a small pot. Okay, so this is the cover. This is the cover. So this is called tender care. Okay, so maybe I can focus this. Focus. I think it's visible. So this is the tender care pot, which is useful for any kind of skincare remedy. So like if you're finding like in this cold season, if you're finding your skin to be very dry, you can use this. If you have a brittle lips, you can use this. And for kids, if they have rashes or anything, definitely this is a must-have product in everyone's house. So one of the favorite for all the Oriflamians. So this is one product which I've got, and second one is skincare product which I've bought, and this is Bright Sublime. So this is a Bright Sublime set. So this is a day cream that I use for my pigmentation. I before I had lots of pigmentation in my skin, but now it is reduced gradually a lot, and all because of this beautiful product. So I think yes, is it visible? Yes, this is the set which I'm using. This is the day cream which I'm using in the Novage Bright Sublime, and which is helping me a lot in my pigmentation reduction. So the next one. So the next is the obviously the coconut oil which I use. So you can see my hair, the long thick hair which I have. So all definitely credit goes to my Love Nature coconut oil. So this is a must-have product with my family. So I've got two bottles. I think 2 to 3 bottles I've got for my family. So this is one, the coconut oil. Then few brushes I've got. So few brushes for my makeup. So I've got this one. So here the next one, and it was in offer, so I've got all these three brushes. So brushes for my makeup, and then again, of course, the hand wash. So this is the lemon and verbena natural hand wash. So definitely a must-have product in all the families. So these hand washes, especially in this corona, we all need this at home. So wherever you go, before having food, anything, definitely at least 1 hour once we need to wash our hands. So this is a must-have product. So this is the hand wash which we use at home. So lemon hand wash, and next is okay, since I told you I'm using the skincare set for my pigmentation. So this is the serum I use. So I use the Novage Bright Sublime for my pigmentation reduction, and I'm finding a huge result after using this. So this is the set. Actually, it's little brighter. So the product picture is not available. So this is the serum I use. I showed you the day cream. So I use a night cream also, and the cleanser. So this is my serum that I use for my pigmentation, and it's a Novage Bright Sublime. So this is the thing, and again I have one more brush which I've bought for my makeup. So this is one more, and okay, next is we're having an offer with Oriflame for the month. So you can see the great 25th anniversary here, right? So it's 25th year anniversary of Oriflame. So we're having a wonderful gift, must-have gift with Oriflame. So let me show what's inside this. So I'm just opening it. So this is a wonderful gift that we got for Oriflame, so you can also get it. So if you're interested, you can reach out to me in the WhatsApp number that I'm going to put it there. So this is the jug, copper jug, along with there is a cap here. Okay, so they have also given a cap for this. So you can just see, I can just put this cap for closing it, and also they have given a glass here. So there's a glass as well. So yes, there's a glass as well along with this. So this jar and a closer, and again a tumbler here. So this one, for all the Oriflameans, this month we are getting this in offer. So somewhere this is worth around like 4,000 rupees, this jar set, and we are getting it at an offer price at around 300 rupees. So this one we got it in the anniversary offer for this month. So next offer is that this was in a flyer offer. So it's a makeup box. So I'll just open it. This was in a flyer offer this month, and I just grabbed 2 of them, and I'll just show you what's inside. So yes, let me open it. So yes, I just opened it, and here is the box. So you can just see this wonderful box. Okay, this is a makeup kit, and of course the lovely boxes. Here you have a compartment here below, and there's one here, and again both the sides. You just, if you're going for a some occasion or vacation, whatever it is, just need to have this pack for your makeup. That's it. And there's a lock here, and it's going to go like this with you when you're going for a vacation as well, or occasion. So this one I got 2 of them because I didn't want to miss it. It was in a very good offer price, so I just grabbed 2 of them. So this is one, and let me see, there's another box. I'm just checking what is that. Okay, the second one is also the vanity makeup kit box that I've got, and this is one set of my order for the month of December. We're having lots and lots of offers this month, so I'm grabbing more gifts from Oriflame for this month because it's our 25th anniversary month. So every day we are getting offers. So if you're interested, if you're looking forward for any gifts as such, please join us. Reach out to my WhatsApp number. Definitely I'm here to guide you. And yes, that's it about my video on the first set of December month unboxing. Thank you so much. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.